Today is officially the day that we're loading up vehicles. So I just picked up the trailer for Rush. This thing handled amazingly towing. I didn't want to pick no phone up or nothing. Let's record that because I was getting nervous. Not really, but I forgot it was there at points, but I was just trying to lock in. But you see, taking the trailer off and stuff like that. And then we put the 340 on the trailer. And then later on today, we're going down to the city to drop off the F10 and the 340 to the hauler. And then time for Beamer invasion. So, you know. So, Scott, it's raining. We're trying to... Oh, you nice with it. Oh, he nice with it. Cut the wheel out of the way. So we're trying to figure out where we're going to load the 340. Trying to figure out where we're loading 340 before we go. Whoa, Aiden's kind of crazy. You got the F10 looking clean over there. I look crazy right now. Don't mind getting a haircut. Because my boy gonna get me right down there in Florida. But loading the cars up. We're getting it ready for Beamer invasion. Can't wait. Got the F10 there, looking good. I don't know if you really can see it or not, but I'm about to load up the 340 and pack everything up, and then we're on the road to hit the first stop to put the cars on it, and from there. Huh? Oh my goodness. Come on, here we go. How many? Ooh. We're a couple of days out from Beamer invasion. How you feeling? Excited. Oh my. Trucking right now, but 340 is outside. F10 is outside. G80 is outside. All the cars are ready to go. Well, he's not bringing the G80, but the cars are ready to go. The F10 look good at this angle with the diffuser on. Do it. Oh. Bumbleclad. Stop here and look at it.
It's my battery, bro.
What? You over it. I think you're good.
No, when we look there, I thought we were
good.
Yeah, it's coming in close.
You're over it.
I don't like this, bro.
I'm scared. Yo,
It's making it.
look how close that is, yo. Like, you can't really see. Nah, you're bugging.
Ooh, yeah, that's close.
I know, I told you. You can't see what's towing it, but some's towing it. Look even better with that. I ain't gonna lie, but this little need, yeah. Yo, stop playing with the kid. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Fit, man. That is hard. Not crazy, yo. How you feeling right now?
A little bit less attend and stuff like that, but we got 2 phones.
Yeah.
You know what they say?
Chill.
But nah, bro, like, I'm on the way to the airport right now and shit. But I can't even speak. It should have been stressful, bro.
You're on a trip.
Stressful.
I wanted to record this stuff last night, but I know if I would have pulled that phone out,
Okay, I kind of wish you did say, but I was probably spaz.
you would have blacked on me. I was like, I wasn't
I
even.
was trying not to black on you, like, I forgot, like, what I told you, and I tried my best to just say it so nicely, because I'm like,
I did something kind of like,
feel like,
I did something stupid last night, and I'm like, yo, bro, no, because you looked at the ramp.
yeah,
I didn't peep it, did that.
but it's alright. Shit happens, bro. This car shit, problem never stops. We can't even get to a showing piece. Like, you know, normally you get prepped for a show and shit be happening, and you're like, okay.
It's like that Beamer invasion curse. Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's been happening, but stuff's been happening. Like, if you would have seen what happened yesterday.
It's 2:44 and it's Wednesday. Our car should have been on the trailer since Saturday. Today's Wednesday, Mike. Our cars is getting loaded up like right now as we speak. I don't know. It's just, I'm never doing this again.
No.
I don't know why you got a camera on face right now. Okay, we're at Fly Emirates. We're going to Dubai.
Emirates is crazy. I don't know, this looks dead ass, looks like Emirates, like dead ass dude. Emirates,
I
right?
have on a flight to Dubai right now.
I'm sending the cars to Beam Invasion Dubai.
Yeah, we go. It's okay, bro. Somebody was gonna pick the cars up in Florida since we already started that. We have our drivers and everybody that's gonna, bring the cars to the show and everything, so we don't gotta do all that. So we send the cars to Florida and we're going to Dubai.
I'm not gonna lie, the first second you're trying to put that your car on the trailer.
It's because I'm a good driver.
But I told him that. I said this ride was fresh out. And it's like still like YouTube type content.
So
some of my content like this would be like this.
when you record like this,
It still shows up like this.
on the TV,
Yeah.
I was wondering.
When I was recording like this.
But I still hold my phone like this. I don't think it shows
Because
up
only
like
it's only when it's on this camera, front camera, you can do it in the new update. So like now I can record like this and it will show regular.
Like, check. Can you see how tired I am? Man?
What time is it now? I'm gonna flex on it. Let's flex on them real quick. No, let's flex on them real quick. Hold on. Take the second phone out.
Where's my second phone?
Oh, show this phone.
Flex on real quick.
Ooh, you see that?
That's what we're gonna be at. We're gonna be whipping that in Florida this time. Oh, the time just changed.
So we made it through TSA, the hard part, and then get something to eat. Get on a flight. See. Yo, guys, over there with no window. He said, I got the window seat. I got the window seat. We can't see when we land in Chicago.
All the passengers please return to the seatbelts or seatbelts. In preparation for landing, please throw your tray table to the upright and left position. Make sure all armrests is well lowered. For those of you sitting in a window, please make sure those window sheets are open. Window sheets must be open now for landing. And check the express fueling fasten. Personal item.
Made it to Chicago. Made it to Chicago. Made it to Chicago. I'm recording. Lock in.
Okay.
Last time I didn't record this section last time.
I'm upset.
Bro, we don't even know when we gonna get the cars. Everything is going to shit right now, but it's part of it.
I'm the type to drop a 50 ball and make it back. All this swag I got is custom, you can't pay for that.
we're into Lambo.
Yeah.
Ooh, probably. Where we landed in Miami.
MIA. I'm about to go MIA.
We landed in Miami with no cars.
Cars are on the way.
Cars are on the way.
Posey. Maybe the niggas just park the truck somewhere else where nobody can spot it.
Probably.
Somebody spot the truck still in New York.
So we'll see.
Niggas hopping on the whatever bridge that was. It's on the
No. Is it another picture? Oh shit. Oh yeah, they moving.
Where is this?
It looks like it's Delaware.
Oh, where?
Delaware Bridge?
I thought it was in New York.
Nah. Yeah. Head start.
You sure?
Yeah.
You should probably take a head start, bro.
You think so? Come on. Count. Go ahead.
No, you can't.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wait, yes.
We back. You feel me?
I'm about to miss it. I'm tight.
A Honda. Love y'all Honda boys, but we're here for Beamer invasion, not Honda invasion. So I don't know what's going on. But we're in the Honda Pilot. About to go get a cut and chill out for a little bit until the cars come tonight. It's the second. The car's supposed to be here yesterday on the 1st, but it's okay. Everything happens for a reason. We don't know why the cars didn't come. We don't know why, but hey, everything happens for a reason. And we wouldn't want to drive our cars in this weather anyway. Well, I do. He wouldn't want to drive the 340 in this weather. I know that for a fact. So, me, I would have been Maji in this right now.
I'm calling 911. Yo, hold on. I'm sorry, bro. You don't get it.
I'm not gonna lie. It's day 2 out here in Florida. No cars. No cars, no nothing. There's no cars, no nothing. Hold it. Actually, you have a camera guy. Hold this.
He's eating.
What the fuck? Now he's eating.
That shit zoom in automatically?
Oh, you click the button. Don't zoom in.
I didn't.
Zoom back out.
Wait.
Click the button. So, we in Miami. No, where are we? Boca Raton.
Yeah.
Still no car. We got another ETA. When is the car gonna come? Shit, we got no food. No plan. So, no car still. We're not going to the private event no more because we don't have the car. The 340 goes in the morning or not in the morning, like 12 o'clock to Beamer Invasion because we got to sit there all day. And then the show is Saturday, and then we have a Cars and Coffee Sunday. And then we have a little bit of Monday to Mob, and then we go back. So hopefully we get the cars by tonight. Hopefully we get the cars in 2 hours. This is damn G82 turn of Magas. Don't worry about it. If you look at him, he's frustrated. It's okay. It's okay. But we're gonna get everything situated. We're gonna get the cars. We're gonna have a fun time.
The Model 3, then I'm gonna get the truck. Not the truck, dude. I've been in it. It's just weird being in it.
Why are you catching my face and shit? Like, relax.
How do you move this shit?
What?
Fence what? I ain't climbing no damn fence.
This is Florida.
Phone's about to die, but we made it. cars touched down in South Florida. We're in West Palm right now. Day of the show. Finally got our cars to come in. Feel me? We outside. About to go mob in an hour back to the crib. Get some food. Ready to mob out. Got the V's in. Yeah.